there's only one way you're supposed to drive an S2000, and today we're driving it like it's meant to be driven. Behind a Mazda, likely. But I mean, while we're stuck behind this Mazda, I have a question for you guys. Like, can dogs get STDs? Like, no, I'm being dead serious. Like, I saw some dogs mating, and I'm like, yo, that's a street dog. Like, that thing is dirty as frick, bro. Like, imagine like dog herpes, dog chlamydia. Nah, bro, wildin', bro. Untwisting, bro. Yo, do you guys have a method to fix that? Cause it's hindering my driving, bro. I feel like every time I shift, I'm going to re-freaking tighten it. Oh my God. Durham Road, the abode. Yeah. Yo.
What the fuck?
Box truck in the distance, and you guys already know how I feel about them box trucks, man. What's already known does not need to be said. Oh my goodness. Christmas tree on the M3. That's not an M. You know what else I'm sick of? These regular explorers riding around on the cop steelies. Like, bro, brother. Stop. Why are there so many freaking people out today, bro? I swear to Bob, bro. Bro, drive, bro. Like, drive, bro. I'm going around these, bro. Got me fricked up. VSA off, suck me off. Oh, whoa!